Hi there, I'm Marlena, and today I'll be showing you how to authenticate your domain in your E-goi account by configuring SPF and DKIM records for it. Okay, let's dive in. So first we'll head to senders page to locate the domain that we have already added in our E-goi account. So here is my domain that today I'm going to authenticate it. Here, E-goi just explains you that if you are using a non-authenticated domain for sending emails, then the emails will be signed by egoi.com domain, and also the mail form will be with egoi.com. And once you authenticate your domain, the emails will be signed by your own domain, and the mail form, which is for SPF record, will also be with your domain. Okay, let's start the authentication process now, and we just need to click on Authenticate button, and we'll be provided with three options that we can use. We can choose to publish the records. So one of the options is to set it up for me. If you choose these options, you are going to provide E-goi support team with your DNS credentials that for them to be able to publish all those records in your DNS. Of course, I'm not gonna choose this option. And the next option is to send a techie, the how-to. If you choose this option, you are going to send all of those records to a person who is going to publish those records for you. And the last option is I'll do it myself, so I'm gonna choose this option. Then you need to select your DNS. If you can't find your DNS in this list, just click on Don't Know and Next. So here we go. These are the records, the SPF and DKIM record that we need to publish in the DNS. If you already have an SPF record, then it will just display your whole SPF record like this. This is my whole SPF record. They have just included their SPF include in it. So I'm going to copy this part, their include, and add it in my current SPF record. Okay, let's go to DNS and find our SPF record. This is my SPF record, so I'm just going to add that part in my SPF record. Okay, save the record, and now I'm going to publish the DKIM record, which is a TXT record. I'm going to copy the name of the record and the value of the record. Okay, let's save the record. So the records are already published. Now we need to go back to our E-goi account and try to verify the records. And by the way, this record is a DMARC record. I already have a DMARC record, so I'm just going to skip this record, as each domain must have only one DMARC record. Let's click on Next. Okay, SPF is good to go already. Let's check it again. This might take a couple of minutes so for the records to be completely propagated. Here we go. So both SPF and DKIM records are already verified and active. So from now on, all the emails that we send from our E-goi account will pass both SPF and DKIM checks. Okay, let's click on confirm, and perfect. So it is already showing that our domain is authenticated. So we are already good to go with E-goi, and hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need any assistance, don't hesitate to contact with our support team.